Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 30, часть 1, страница 66-67. English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 40, part number 1, page number 66-67. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 66. 66. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Look, read and write. Посмотри, прочитай и напиши. Grandfather. Father. Mother. Uncle. Aunt. This is my family. My grandfather sells fruit and vegetables. He is a greengrocer. My father is a pilot. He loves his job. My mother is a chef. She works at a restaurant in town. My uncle is a mechanic and my aunt is a baker. I want to be a pilot like my father. I love airplanes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. My alien family. Read and write the names. Моя семья пришельцев. Прочитай и напиши имена. Zippy is tall and slim. Bingy has got pink curly hair. Zenny flies a spaceship. Wanda fixes spaceships. Broom likes carrots. Yali lives on the moon. Jilly has got purple straight hair. Toby likes bread. The answer, number 1. Zena, Toby, Zippy, Blinky, Yali, Wanda, Jilly, Broom. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 67. 67. Exercise number 3. Listen and draw the times. Послушай и нарисуй время. When does Excel get up? When does Excel go to gym? When does Excel go to bed? Когда Excel встает? At 10:15. Когда Excel идет в спортивный зал? At 6 o'clock. Когда Excel ложится спать? At 12:30. Boys and girls, we must exercise number 4. Who am I? Read and choose. Прочитай и выбери. I fix people's cars. The answer, mechanic. I bring letters to your house. Postman. I fly into space. Astronaut. I've got a tractor. I grow fruit and vegetables. Farmer. I'm very famous. I sing and play the guitar. Rock star. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. What's the subject? Read and answer. Какой предмет? Прочитай и ответь. We learn about other countries in this lesson. We learn where these countries are, how many people live there, what you can see and do there. I love geography. It's my favorite subject. Number 2. We learn to sing and play a musical instrument in this lesson. I play the guitar. We have a school band, and at the end of every school year, we give a concert. It's great. Music is definitely my favorite subject. History is very interesting. We learn about the past, the people, their lives, their clothes, everything. This week I got to write about the even number 4. The answer: number 1, geography, number 2, music, number 3, history, number 4, science. Number 4. I like science a lot. You always learn something new. We learn about plants, and we also carry out some experiments. Our project for this week is to find information about market. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.